Stand a bit further out. I'm a bit worried about where the pole is.
What's up, dude?
Can you feel it doing it with that gyro? Or does it feel the same?
Simon's going to run out of fuel.
Is it?
Yeah.
Why?
The gyro, I don't know, the gyro, it perhaps makes it more stable.
Simon's going to run out of fuel and see whether he crashes it or not.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, it's a both engine. Both anyway, wasn't it?
Yeah, but
I just noticed your ear cut.
Yeah, but...
Kept piss out my ear cut, look at your one.
What, criminal?
I've swapped him for his Zaggy.
What? For what, dude?
That easy stuff for his Zaggy.
Oh, dude, yeah.
But I told him I don't want the motor.
We just take it off and we'll do something with it.
No, he's taking it off now. But he's leaving the servo.
What? How you feel it now?
Still full throttle and it's hardly needs any.
Have you got an engine down?
Yeah.
Well, it's going straight, look.
Is it working, Simon?
Yeah.
Working now. Oh,
Really? Really? Does it make a difference? There you go, Gary.
So do it on a bank then, Simon. Yeah, look, and it's still... So it works great. And it's flying on one engine.
I think it's the right engine still going.
Amazing.
See, I said it was the best twin, Gary, didn't I?
What, the Harmony?
No, this. Your
Yeah,
fucking
but
Harmony.
you can't buy them now.
You can't buy, yeah, you can't buy these. I haven't got enough hours in the day.
Like you're jobbing. Like you're jobbing and build models for me.
What does it feel like when you throttle up? Does it take care of it, Simon?
Yeah, felt fine until then.
Till when?
Ended it off.
Look, it's great. It's actually flying straight with one engine.
I'm holding in some correction, but not loads.
What, on rudder or later on? On both. Because I've never used rudder. So I'll start learning to use rudder then, haven't I?
Yeah, quite.
What does it feel like, Simon? Talk to me.
It's flyable, it's needing some correction, but not more.
What, is that you holding the rudder in?
Yeah.
What happens if you don't hold the rudder in then? But you can't just correct it with the ailerons, no?
No.
So does it need more gain then, do you reckon?
I think, you can correct. Yeah, you can correct it.
Yeah, that's how I normally do it.
Yeah.
So is it holding it without you having any rudder input then?
So if you'd have been flying that, Scott, that engine, you'd have cut the other one around by now.
Yeah. And in all fairness, even with the gyro, I still would as well, Gary. But we're just proving the point, really.
So you've got one tank bigger than the other?
No, just I've got one engine that's more reliable than the other.
Right, I'm going back to mine. One tank was empty.
Yeah.
And the other tank had about 3 pumps in it.
Well, that's why yours cut then, not because your engines.
That was all messing about, going backwards and forwards.
Yeah, probably.
So I reckon 4 minutes.
Which is ample because after 4 minutes with the twin, you shit yourself anyway. Try a landing then, dude. Let's.
What, with motor running?
Yeah, well, that's if you feel comfortable. If not, cut it. Just don't hit the tree, dude.
Wow, fucking look at that. Straight as a die. With one engine. Hey, there's no wrong with that.